Av here again. I just wanted to announce we have a major release coming up. 1.11 is out, and there's a ton of enhancements. We've made it even easier to get started. For example, if I drag a presentation out, it automatically comes out the right size. You don't have to go ahead and tinker and position. All of your objects come in at the ideal size to go ahead and do a presentation. And also all of your hyperlinks, which were not live before, are completely clickable. So you can embed documents, you can embed links to external websites, and automatically in your presentation navigate. There's tons of keyboard shortcuts like Control X to close, to change your pen or highlighter, and we even support speaker notes now. This is something that many of you have asked before. If I click that speaker note button, my notes will pop up, and as I change my slides, you can see they're updated, and I can move that off to a second monitor, and I can have the confidence of my notes to help me through my presentation. And on top of that, we have a very big feature right here called screen record. That's actually how I'm recording this video right now. I don't have to use a third-party software. I can click that button and I can recap my meeting. I can send out a video message. Or I can go ahead and create a quick little product introduction and email that out to my customers or my team. It's an incredibly effective way of creating powerful layouts and presentations and distributing them, all from Reactiv. So check it out and let me know if you need any help. I'd love to onboard you one-on-one. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.